What if I told you there's a YouTube niche where channels with a handful of videos are pulling hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, with almost no competition? And before you assume you need animation skills or a team, you don't. These are simple, slow English stories in a basic 3D cartoon style, and they're all made with AI tools. If you can write a short story, you can make these. Proof: one channel hit 117,000 subscribers off just 71 videos, with a top video over 1.1 million views. Another has only 15 uploads. One did 1.5 million views 2 months ago. But here's the one that'll get you. This channel has 6 videos and a few hundred subscribers, and a video it posted 24 hours ago already has 36,000 views. So the competition is low and the demand is massive. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to find story ideas, create the animations, generate the voiceovers, and upload start to finish. Let's get into it. So to make this kind of video, we're going to use a tool called Anijam AI, links in the description. Think of it as the ChatGPT or Claude of animation. You just chat with the AI and it handles the whole pipeline for you. The script, the storyboard, the characters, the animation, the voiceover, all of it. No editing software, no animation skills. Go ahead and sign up and log in. And here's the best part. The moment you sign up, you get 500 free credits to start creating right away, plus another 100 credits every day just for checking in. It's completely free to get going. By the way, I'm recording this on my PC for clarity, but you can do this entire process on your phone too, straight from your mobile browser. And there's an iOS app if you're on iPhone. Same tool, same power. Once you're logged in, this is the interface you'll see. This is where you generate full stories and short movies with AI. But first we need a story idea. Now Anijam can generate ideas for you directly, but I like to brainstorm a batch first. So I've put a link in the description to a Google Doc with a ready-made prompt. Open it and copy the whole prompt. Then head to Claude, paste the prompt, and hit generate. In a couple of seconds, you'll get a full list of ideas. I've generated 20 story topics here, and as you can see, super easy. From the 20 ideas, pick whichever one you like best. I'll go with this one. Head back to Anijam, make sure you're logged in, and paste your idea into the box. Then click the arrow button on the right. The second you hit that arrow, Anijam Workspace opens up, and it gets to work right away. Up top it says, Agent is working, and the AI is already thinking through its next step. That's exactly what you want to see. Quick tour. On the right is your chat panel. That's the heart of it. Just like ChatGPT, you control the whole video by typing here. Change a scene, swap a character, rewrite the story. It all happens in this one chat. On the canvas, you'll see a tab called Story Outline. It's empty for now, that's normal. The agent's filling it in as we speak, and in a moment it becomes your full script and your whole cast. And that toolbar on the left, AI image, AI video, lip sync, character, voice, style, that's your production kit. We'll get to it. For now, let the agent cook. Now Anijam asks a couple of quick setup questions. I'll tell you exactly what to pick. First, how do you want to build the video? AI director mode is the one for most people. It generates the final video with audio, all in one go. Workflow mode is for advanced users who want to build it step by step. And Oscar film mode, that's the premium cinematic option for a real movie feel. We're going with AI director mode, fast, clean, done in one shot. Now under that, it asks which video model to use. You'll see a few: Seedance 2.0, WAN 2.7, Kling 03. We're going with Seedance 2.0. See that recommended tag? It's the most powerful all-in-one model on here, and it's the one that gives these stories that smooth, polished look. Lock in your mode, lock in Seedance, and hit confirm. Once you confirm, Anijam hits you with a few more quick questions. These shape your final video, so let me walk you through my picks. First, audience. Who's this for? Kids, teenagers, or all ages? I go with all ages. It keeps your story wide open so anyone can land on it and watch. Next, the platform. YouTube, Shorts, Films, or Ads. Since we're building a full story video, I picked YouTube. Then aspect ratio. For a normal YouTube video, you want 16:9, that's the wide format. If you were doing shorts, you'd switch to 9:16, but for this, 16:9. After that, audio mode. And you've got 3, dialogue, voiceover, or music only. For these story videos, you want the characters actually talking, so pick dialogue. Set your duration and hit confirm. That's your whole video configured. Now Anijam goes to work. Once your settings are locked in, Anijam recaps everything back to you. Here it confirms a 1.5-minute 3D animated comedy, all ages, YouTube, 16:9, dialogue-driven. Then it asks how you want the story to feel. 2 options, dialogue-driven or visual storytelling. Since our whole story runs on characters talking to each other, I'm going with dialogue-driven. And from here, Anijam starts asking you questions tailored to your specific story, building out the plot and the cast. Like here, it asked about the characters, classic family of 4, a bigger crew, or let me describe them myself. Now here's the important part. These questions will be different for everyone. They depend entirely on the idea you picked, so don't panic if your screen doesn't match mine. There's no wrong answer. Just go down the list and answer each one honestly based on your story. Anijam takes those answers and uses them to build everything else. Once you've answered all the questions, Anijam locks it in and lays out your full story breakdown on the right. Every detail, right there. Then it asks the fun part. What visual style do you want? There's a whole menu to choose from. Pick whatever fits your vibe. For this one, I'm going with a style called Pixie Pop 3D. It's got that clean, soft cartoon look these viral stories use. Lock in your style, hit Generate Confirm, then click Generate All Concepts. Now Anijam goes and creates the image for every character in your story. This part takes a minute, so just let it cook, don't touch anything. And there we go. Every character's done. You can see all your character images and your scene images laid out right here. Your cast just got built, automatically. Now look at the bottom, Start Video Generation. Click it. Anijam shows you the full game plan. Every scene, every setting, how many shots it's about to generate. Take a quick look so you know what's coming. Then you get two options, generate all at once or generate by step. All at once is the easy button. Pick one, click it, and let it run. Give it a moment. And boom, your video clips are ready. Anijam just animated your entire story. Want background music? Just hit Generate BGM, one click, and Anijam scores your whole video with a full background track. When that's done, click Add Media to Timeline. Now look up top, center of the screen, 2 tabs, Canvas and Timeline. Click Timeline. There's your entire video, laid out end to end. Hit Preview and watch the whole thing start to finish. If it looks good, head to Export in the top corner. Tweak the encoding settings if you want, then hit Export, and your finished video saves straight to your device. One click, done. And that's the whole process, from a blank page to a finished AI animated story video, start to finish, with free tools. No team, no editing skills, no face on camera. The niche is wide open right now, and the demand is huge, so don't overthink it. Go make your first one today. The hardest part is just starting. And to get going, the Anijam link is in the description. Sign up through it, grab your free credits, and start creating right away. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment telling me what story you're going to make first. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.